Welcome to our Countertop Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular ice makers, the Nugget ice maker and the Igloo ice maker. Both machines promise convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? Join us as we explore their features, performance, and user-friendliness to help you make an informed decision for your home or office. When it comes to ice production, the Nugget ice maker boasts an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, making it an excellent choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. In contrast, the Igloo ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice per day, which is still substantial but may not suffice for larger parties. If you prioritize high ice output, the Nugget ice maker takes the lead here. Both the Nugget and Igloo ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, which is a significant advantage for users looking for low-maintenance options. The Nugget ice maker offers a one-touch operation for its self-cleaning process, making it incredibly user-friendly. The Igloo ice maker also features a self-cleaning function, but it is essential to check the ease of use and effectiveness in practice. Overall, both machines make cleaning hassle-free. User convenience is another critical factor to consider. The Nugget ice maker features a one-touch operation, allowing users to start the ice-making process with minimal effort. Meanwhile, the Igloo ice maker is designed to be compact and portable, making it an excellent option for smaller kitchens or for taking to gatherings. Depending on your needs, either machine offers unique advantages in terms of usability. In conclusion, both the Nugget ice maker and the Igloo ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The Nugget ice maker excels in ice production capacity and user-friendly features, while the Igloo ice maker offers a compact design and similar self-cleaning capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.